Hi guys, it's Angela and David from Wiley's Travel Adventures. We've just left Auchenlarry after being up for a couple of nights. The weather was gorgeous up there, gorgeous. And now we've come to Threave Nature Reserve, just outside of Castle Douglas, to see if we can see the ospreys nesting. The weather's turned a bit and it's gone cloudy and a bit windy. So it's just a quick vlog, and then we'll do a quick vlog from Castle Douglas as well, because we're going to go in for some fish and chips, we think. Show you the sights around there before we head back home. So I'll see you later when we get down towards the nest. There's Threave Castle in all its glory. You can often see kestrel resting on the top of the castle. I don't think there's anything there at the moment. There used to be, the boat used to go across there and used to be able to visit that castle. Fallen masonry has stopped that, or it could have been COVID, who knows. Well, we're just over the water from where the nest is. I'll zoom in for you. See the nest there? Have 3 chicks in the nest. You have volunteers here through the day, and I've got two powerful binoculars that you can look through to see the nest. It's quite a way away from where we are, and have cameras near the nest as well. Lovely setting it is.